The one that you're seeing is the feeding session for the monkeys. The caretaker in the monkey forest, they cut the fruits and veggies and offer it to the monkeys. And here a lot of foreigners take pictures around, and you can see the naughty monkeys playing and grabbing its food around. And this is how the Balinese god persons, they provide the food to the monkeys, since they are considered as a sacred being in Ubud. So you can visit it and you can head back again, walking inside the monkey forest, where the environment is lush green with lofty trees and bushes grown everywhere around. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.